Bebe, the colourful sheep, is on a school camping trip with her best friend Pearly. When the class goes for a hike at the reservoir, Bebe runs into some monkeys who laugh at her colourful wool. She's frightened and doesn't know what to do. Pearly strides in front of Bebe and stands firmly to shelter her from the monkeys. She scolds them for making fun of a friend. The monkeys know they have met their match and run away. Bebe wipes away her tears and thanks her best friend for protecting her. Later that night, the teachers tucked the children to bed. When the sky turned darker, a sheep suddenly wakes from her sleep. It's Pearly. She glances around the quiet, dark tent and shudders. She's very afraid of the dark. Bebe hears her sobs and wakes up too. Pearly is thankful towards Bebe and goes back to sleep peacefully. What's that? The girls had made thank you cards for each other.